Hello everyone, I am Nikhil Bapusaheb Patare Patil, owner of Srishti Wheels, Srirampur, district Ahmednagar. We are a dealer of Bridgestone and Yokohama in our town. I will be successfully completing 1 year in March 2020 in this tire and alignment business. Before I started this business, I always look for Hunter services whenever I need to do my car alignment. I will be completing a successful year in this tire and alignment business in March 2022. I always look for Hunter services whenever I needed to do my auto alignment, which and why when I first started the business and I choose to deal with them. Also, I could not have been possible without the help of Madhu's assistance. Hunter Engineering Company to me is the best tool, whether it's a Hunter HS222 aligner, Smart Weight Pro balancer and TCX52 tire changer, which are class apart from their standards. I honestly don't think I would be here if it were not for their equipments. The alignment machine is just incredible. Nobody made anything like that but Hunters. So far we have been able to give quality services to our customers through Hunter equipment, which is reducing steering pulls, prevent the crooked steering, fix the tire issue by using the machine within the time frame specified. We are extremely happy with the service provided by Madhus, and we are really appreciate their extended help whenever we are in need. Any issues or complaints raised are resolved within reasonable time. We really appreciate their continued support, and I am thankful to the team and would request them to extend their support henceforth. The most finest part with the Hunter equipment is once the vehicle is aligned with this, the end customer has no complaint on his vehicles regarding the safety and directional stability. It is very good to handle and drive the vehicle. Thanks to Madhus and Hunter Company for their support on services, that is after sales support. I also recommend others who are planning to start the wheel services to start with Hunter equipments through Madhus India. Thank you.